Markets was gapping down a little bit. The only problem that right now we have is the China slowdown. The Bank of China, uh, lowered the interest rate again. So there is a slowdown in the Chinese economy in different sectors, especially construction and housing, and that could impact in all world economy. So that's what the market was gapping down. All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Andrew is here doing the recap with Brian. So, how do you like my new haircut, by the way? I decided to go short this time. I mean, my stylist recommended me to go short, and I said, all right, let's go short. But I personally don't like it very much. I might actually keep it longer from now on. But it's good for a change a little bit. So markets was gapping down a little bit. The only problem that right now we have is the China slowdown. The Bank of China, lowered the interest rate again. So there is a slowdown in the Chinese economy in different sectors, especially construction and housing, and that could impact in all world economy. So that's what the market was gapping down, but really ripped up back. And right now SPY and Qs are pretty much flat. Oil is down 4% again because of the slowdown in the economy and probably the increased production. But the oil coming down has a both effect. Sometimes it's coming down because there is a risk of recession, like the time the pandemic happened and oil went down negative. And there are times that goes up because there's demand for it and production and getting better economy. But it's really doing different impact on that, and high oil prices would be definitely affecting the inflation. But anyway, so AMD, so the market was really strong at the open. We just took I took two opening range trade on AMD and Tesla, and both of them turned out to be really nice at the open. I saw NVIDIA ripping, and I decided to take that trade on AMD because I should have actually taken a NVIDIA. So 1 minute opening range breakup, red to green, ripped up from 150 to 101.50. That was one trade. I didn't add anything, and I got a stop out pretty much at the break even. Same trade on Tesla as well. So Tesla was better, actually ripped higher, a consolidation at the VWAP, and then 1 minute opening range breakup. That really nicely went up, and I added more at around 918, 917, popped up to 920, sold, and I got a stop out at the break even. So that one trade was a pretty good trade, and it was really enough for me. And later when it ripped higher, I went long again at 918 for the break of 920, dropped, went to VWAP. This was really scary, just past my pretty much stop point, came back up and got out of it. Did again, I went, with volume came in, and I went long again, popped up. I was hoping to get to 920 breakout half today, and then dropped, and I got to stop that. So this third trade, I lost a little bit of money. This one was pretty much a break-even trade, and I just decided to not touch Tesla anymore because it's just it's just not ready to really pop again. And it has become a very, very, very choppy price action if you look at the 5-minute chart. That's it for me. That's pretty much it. It was a pretty good day. Well, I lost a little bit on Tesla, but eventually turned out to be a really, really good scalp on AMD and Tesla. That's what we want. Really nice. Brian, I think BBBY was the stock that I didn't trade it again. It was a meme stock, was gapping up, sold off. I told people that if this one loses the VWAP, you got to be really careful because it can go all day down. It looks like it's now trying to pop up. It might be tradable for the break of high of the day, but I don't even trust it here now. So above 15 might be tradable when the volume comes and starts squeezing. Yeah. So Brian, I know you had a really great day on Baba. You took this beautiful squeeze, huh?
Yeah. Got a nice one. It was thanks to people in the room like Amir and some others were calling out Baba, so got a bit of a double bottom on that. And I traded AMD with you. I did try to short Rivian at the open, but as a rising devil trade, but it just really didn't work out. So had a small loss there, but made back what lost. So on AMD, which was a nice trade. So anyway, it was a decent morning overall. Just green on the day.
Yeah, it was
so you're going short morning. Haircuts.
with a short haircut.
You're
Yeah.
going short. Going short on hair.
So we had a lot of different. We have a lot of different moves too, but we really didn't get that. And you can't really trade all of them. So guys, bootcamp. I just wanted to mention about the bootcamp. What is bootcamp? Because a lot of people are asking what is happening in that bootcamp. In that bootcamp, we put you with one captain and co-captain, Peter or John. And two co-captain, and try to help you build your trade book and test your trade book. It's a 3-month online program. You don't have to be in person. Classes are in the evening. There are some recorded classes and webinars in our education center in Peak Capital, which is different from Variable Traders. And all the webinars, all the mentorship sessions, all the private mentorship sessions are going to be recorded as well. And we want to cap it at around 70 people. I think we have around 60 right now. So there are 10 spots left if you want to come and join. It includes 3 months of simulator plus 3 months of journaling tool as well included in that price. So for those of you who are interested, we are starting at September 7. And I don't recommend it for very, very beginners. But if you have been trying, to build a strategy and trade book, it's been a couple of months that you're in a simulator and trying to really, build it better, it might be a good time to join. And especially if you want to buy another 3 months of simulator, so why did you just boot the bootcamp? Because the cost is already included. And you get the mentorship and webinars as well. There are some advanced modules as well, like Thor is doing his advanced VPA module in there. There's a lot of technical presentations that is not available in BBT as well. So for those of you who are interested to come, and if you have any question, just send me an email or put it in the comments. We're happy to answer that. And that's it. That's what pretty much I have. Today is onboarding all the new members, guys, at 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. We have the onboarding session. You can come in the classroom, ask any questions and see what community has to offer. Carlos is going through all of that. And we have LA meetup, guys. I think we have about 60 signups so far. So we actually increased the size of the room. So we're going to have a half-a-day presentation plus a social meet and greet in LA. The link is going to be posted in the comments or in the chat room as well. Again, if you have any question, email me, andrew@variabletraders.com. Awesome. Thank you so much and have a good day, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow morning in the chat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thanks, Tracy, for the comments. Tracy says bootcamp was awesome. It taught me to be a consistent trader. We're glad to hear that. And you guys, if you have any feedback from the previous bootcamp, just share it with us, and I'll see if people want to make a better decision for their trading. Have a good day, guys.